Well, it depends what you make, but I mean, some things that I use often is kelp is a type of seaweed, and it's high in iodine, and it's probably 10 times, if not more, concentrated in the vitamins and minerals that you would get from, regular fruits or vegetables. Kelp is, yes, it has a little bit of a powerful kind of fishy taste, but if you put it into, a pasta sauce or some soups and stuff like that, that can mask that taste. I think that that's great to have on hand. That you can get them in capsules. I get them in powder form, so I just throw them into whatever I'm making. Sometimes I even put a small amount in my son's smoothie because the banana and the fruits will actually cover that taste. You won't taste it. Basil is a perfect and easy to grow. Basil and thyme is an easy one to grow on your window pane. Throw it into some foods being fresh. The trick is with basil though is always take from the bottom. A lot of people don't know that, is when you actually pick the herbs, you want to take it from the bottom and not the top, because then you're going to stop some of the growth that can actually happen from the top. Peppermint is one that I use often as well. Oregano, I use a lot of oregano, same thing, you could throw it onto foods, and it doesn't all have to be fresh, right? These are dried herbs that you can have. But usually thyme I love, because thyme is really good for anytime you're feeling like a little cough or something as well. Basil is awesome in cooking, oregano awesome in cooking, peppermint I just love throwing that into really any tea and stuff like that. Those would be like my primary ones, of course. Other than herbs are also food, right? Things like garlic and those cloves and ginger and lemon peels and things like that. Look, food and anything that really grows in the ground you can utilize in any way you want to. So I use, for example, lemon peels, and I infuse that into vinegar, and I use that as a cleaning product. Vinegar is an awesome disinfectant, and so is lemon, but the peels is much more powerful than the lemon juice itself. Vinegar acts as a solvent, which means it actually extracts some constituents out of whatever product you're whether it's herbs or food, which is why you'll see vinegar infusions and stuff. So if you do that with the lemon peel, it actually extracts the benefits out of the peel and puts it into the spray, so that when you're spraying it, you're getting the benefits of the vinegar and the lemon peels. And then you can throw in some, tea tree or eucalyptus or whatever essential oils you want in there for that extra kind of punch.